Write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah. Stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make deposits. My gloss is broken. You like my hair? Cheap things. Just bought it.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Perkins, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am talking to you guys about this lovely hair. I just did a recent video on She's Happy Hair, and yeah, this is it. Do y'all see how this looks? I had to come on here and show you guys exactly how this looks, because is it giving, like, is it what lace wear? So this is the lace that I got from my friend. Her company is called Made by Lisa, so make sure you go ahead and check her out. That's where the lace is from. It's a transparent lace, and then I got my bundles in. So let me show you guys how it looks. Shout out to my other friend Jocelyn. Her she did my hair. Her company is called Unique Appearance, and the way she does her hair, she's a Houston hairstylist, and she gives what she's supposed to give. Like, look at this lace wear. Like, she did her thing. She did her thing. So shout out to her, and make sure you guys check her out. I will leave all the details on both of them in the description box below. So let me go ahead and show you guys how this hair looks. This is 30 inches, 28, 26, and it stops to right here, a little bit to my butt. And they also sell 38 inches. So yeah, this hair is amazing. Remember I told you guys the curls will drop a little bit? This is how it look when the curls drop. And so I only put 2 products in my hair. I put water and I put Nairobi foaming lotion, and it looks like this. And you can get it at your local beauty supply store. But this is how it is, and it does my hair miracles. So like when my hair gets poofy and I want to have that wet look, I just squirt it, and then you put water in it, and it'll give you like this wavy look. It'll keep the wavy look. And so what I would recommend is, because this is wavy hair, I would recommend like plaiting it up at night. So I'll do like 2 plaits at night. That way like I can wake up and my waves are still popping. I love it. I can't wait. And so I got a I got a side part, but I can like part it any kind of way that I want. But this side part is really, y'all, I just wanted to come and show you guys how it looked, so you guys can get an update of how the hair looks in my hair. And still one of my favorite companies. Nobody has topped She's Happy Hair. At least I haven't tried another company that topped them. So maybe if you got any other companies that you would like for me to try, I definitely will. But yes, you guys, let me get a close look at this lace. This is the lace from my old teammate, Made by Lisa, and it is a transparent lace. Absolutely love it. And it is 20 inches, but this hair is extremely long. I like my hair long. I like the 30 inches. Y'all know, if you watch my videos, you know I always say I like 30 inches. But yes, you guys, this is how it looks. Come up close so y'all can see the ends. You probably need to moisturize more, because they get dry really, really fast. The ends get really, really dry fast. But yeah, the rest of the hair is amazing. Look at this, so y'all can see. There you go. Hopefully I gave y'all a good look on this hair. But yeah, just a reminder, this is She's Happy Hair Brazilian deep wave, and I got 30, 28, 28 to 20. I got 130, 2 28s, and a 26. So I have 4 bundles in my hair. And then the frontal is a Brazilian deep wave transparent lace. So yes, so that's from Made by Lisa. So they're from 2 different companies. So yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna give y'all an update of how my hair is holding up, but I already know how it's gonna hold up, because I already know. I already know because I'm an OG with this company. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're on the road to 1K, so if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and drop a comment. And also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I am active on Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram is It's Tamar Perkins and my Twitter is Athlete by Nature. It'll be in the description box below. But yeah, you guys, love y'all.